keen to get back into the top four, knowing two of their competitors in Chelsea and Manchester City meet tomorrow. West Ham know if they can get anything out of this game, they will move again out of the bottom three. In fact, they've only spent 8 days this season outside of the relegation zone. The usual pre-match handshakes. These two sets of players will know each other pretty well. With Gallas there shaking hands with Carlton Cole. Of course, they were former teammates at Chelsea. Let's catch up with the team news, shall we then? Tottenham making just 2 changes from the side that held Milan here 10 days ago. Gareth Bale, who came on in that match, starts for the first time in 2 months. William Gallas has proved his fitness. He lines up alongside Dawson at centre-half. The other change up front, Peter Crouch, preferred in the Champions League, when it's Jermaine Defoe back today against his old side. Avram Grant will be relieved that Demba Ba has overcome a not fit to play, especially with Frederic Piquion out and Robbie Keane not allowed to play against his parent club. 2 changes from the team that lost in the cup match at Stoke. Lars Jakobsen returns along with Ba, Victor Obinna and James Tompkins drop to the bench. The former Arsenal and West Ham United fullback Nigel Winterburn alongside me. Avram Grant has had a few reasons to smile in recent weeks, but this is going to be a tough match for him, isn't it, Nigel?
Well, it is indeed. He's got his team in fantastic form, but still sitting in the bottom 3. And you just look at Tottenham as well. They're in good form themselves, coming off the back of some great Champions League performances. They will want to get back into that top 4 as soon as they don't win that competition, to have a go again next season. Terrific game in prospect. West Ham, though, have not done well at this ground for a long time.
Well, there's Gareth Bale. They'll be so pleased to see him back in the starting lineup. The players here will gather together. There is going to be a minute's silence in all matches around the Barclays Premier League this weekend to pay respect to the victims and those that have been affected by the earthquakes and tsunami in Japan. Before that, of course, the lineup for the